So we have seen a trigger in the last session, and let us move on with another example. So we have seen what is the advantage. One of the advantages is enforcing user data integrity. We have seen this. And one more advantage is checking complex business logic. We have seen this. Deleting a manager record. Okay. I'm given the code here. Next one. The same can be implemented this way. Okay. So next one is populating audit tables or related tables automatically. Populating audit tables or related tables automatically. So let's say there is a table called as employee audit. We have a table employee. Let's see. Let's compare. So I want to audit the insertions, deletions on top of the employee. So here, if I take any action on this table, automatically there should be an action performed on this table, on the employee table. Employee number, employee name, who made the changes, what time they made the changes, what is the operation. So example here is employee ID. Example, I am inserting records 8. Okay. Name, some name I'm giving. Who is doing? I am doing. So system underscore user will get you the user who logged into this system. So if you see the username of this is Dell is a username. Where Dell is sitting? Dell is sitting in this server. This is a server name. This is the username under this server name. Okay. So username, we got it. This is a username. No, I don't want to show the server name. I just want to show the username alone. Okay. Only username I want to show. Then write our system user, comma.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕೊಚ್ಚೋದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬ್ರಷಸ್
What is that? To find the position of a character. Char index.
Yeah.
Correct only, right? Something wrong, huh? Hmm. Something wrong. Search expression to be searched where. Okay.
Yeah, I think no, syntax wise, I think the first one was correct.
Yeah. So syntax wise, first one search expression. No. So it is reverse actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I got it. Fine. So what is that? I just want to print the actual user. Okay. So substring only I have to use. Substring of system user, comma 16, comma 4. Let's say. So plus 1, comma 3. So you got it. So it is 4, not 3. Okay. So here I don't want to keep it till length of system user. Okay. System user. Who exactly the username is? This is the exact. What is the time info? Time info is get it. What is the opcode? Operation code, whether it is insertion or deletion. So let's say if it is insertion, I call it as INS. If it is deletion, or
Sir, quick question there. So what's the operation code,
so
sir?
basically,
Thanks.
if I try, what I'm doing is I'll try to insert data to this. I'm inserting a 8th employee. If 8th employee is inserting into this by me, automatically a trigger has to execute and insert data into the audit table with these values: employee ID, employee name, whatever you have given here, who has inserted that or who has deleted, and the time at what time they have did it, and what is the operation, whether it is insert or delete. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? Values of these things will come. That's all. When this has to get automatically come into picture, when you are inserting into employee. Got it? So let's say, see here, this is secondary. Now primary is, now this is the command I have written. Insert into employee values of 8, all. What is the data in this? You see, date of joining, let's say today's date only. Manager ID reporting to 3, 2, salary. So now I'll insert this. When I insert this, it is not committing now. It will start the trigger. When you say start the trigger, it is not committed, but transaction is open. Transaction is open and it started the trigger. You agree?
Yeah.
So
So you,
here, whenever you execute this, transaction is open and it started the trigger because trigger is attached to this table. Okay, it's still in the memory. Still it is in the memory, it is not executed. So what it will do, it will insert that into the magic table inserted. So now this data comes into the inserted magic table. So when I say select star from inserted, it will not show anything. See, I'm just telling. In the trigger, if I write select star from inserted, you will get this data. Yes or no?
yeah,
Yes or no? So what
yes,
I'll do, I'll take the employee ID, employee name from inserted. When I'll keep a condition because you are inserting, trigger is open. Do you have a proper record here? I can check if of if it is greater than 0, it means that there is a data in the magic table. Then what you do? Insert into employee audit values of what you want. Set employee ID, employee name, your system user, whatever you call. This is system user info, get date. And what you are doing, what is the operation? Inserted is the operation, magic table. So, INS close. Not no need to close. This is from inserted, correct? So first let us create this table. I'll make it as char of 10. So now this magic table works. Yes or no? Let's say you are doing a delete. Delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 3. So what is 3? So 3 is Dori, this guy. So whenever you are deleting 3, what happens? Same command. Same, everything is same. If count of star from deleted, if it is greater than 0, then insert into audit, take the employee ID, take the employee ID, employee name from deleted. Agree? Any questions on this? If it is insert, the transaction is open and this will check, and you can write here commit, so that whatever the transaction you open here gets committed here. Okay. Here, okay, you can write even here also, fine. Similarly, for delete also, you can have a commit here. So if it is delete greater than 0, it will execute. Any questions, please let me know. Any questions?
So what are you trying to do in this query?
We are logging the data. If something is getting inserted into the employee table, or if something is getting deleted from the employee table, just what we are doing, we are auditing what is deleted, what is inserted in the table.
Auditing as in?
Auditing in sense,
Checking?
what is happening on this table. Any insertions are happening, any deletes are happening. On top of this, I am keeping a history. I am audit history. Who has inserted, who has deleted.
Okay, so good question, Alicia, by the way. So even I had it. So we are not talking about the trigger here anymore, right?
Trigger only, right?
Trigger.
Trigger only.
Okay.
With the help of trigger, we are achieving this.
Oh, this is the logic, and then you are going to create a trigger
See,
on
this
top
is
of
the
it.
table. You
Okay.
are trying to audit this table. How many inserts are coming, how many deletes are coming, who is doing it, at what time it is doing it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So when you are sending a insert, when someone is inserting data into this table,
Right.
they executed this. Let's say you executed this.
Mhm.
So whenever you execute, automatically it will commit if you are not tracking anything. Correct? But now you executed this. Transaction is opening by SQL Server. Correct?
Right.
And I'm hooking a trigger. I'm attaching a trigger to this table. So it won't commit until trigger completed. It got inserted. So this is a magic table. It will check employee table. Yes, they have inserted Paul. Okay. Count of inserted is greater than 0.
Your voice is breaking.
Yes. Hello?
What is it?
Your
Sean,
voice is
something asked
breaking.
it. My voice is breaking. Okay.
Yeah.
How about now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now it's
So
clear.
when this magic table is having data, okay. Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So when this magic, when you are inserting this gets into a magic table. When there is a data in the magic table that is greater than 0,
Mhm.
automatically you are inserting data to the audit table. Who has inserted the data? When it was inserted the data, okay, the operation is inserted, and which employee got inserted, that we are keeping in the audit table. It's clear, right? Text is clear, right? You want me to increase the font or decrease the font?
No, you good, sir.
No, you could say it's clear.
Okay. So here, again I explain, what we are doing is we are taking care of the operations performed on top of the table. Okay. What operations are performed on top of table? This is called as auditing on a table. If anyone is inserting data to the table or deleting the data from the table, we are tracking who has done that operation and when it was done. Okay. Who has performed that operation and when it was performed. So let's say you are inserting data to employee table. Whenever you execute this command, automatically what happens? Implicit transaction gets opened, correct? This is an
Yeah.
implicit transaction.
Yeah.
Because I'm not having begin transaction before, just an insert command is there. So that's why what happens is implicit transactions gets open, and as I am going to attach a trigger to this table, after this implicit transaction got opened, trigger got executed. Trigger gets executed. Okay. So what you are doing, you are inserting data to employee table. Okay. So you are performing an insert operation. Automatically magic table inserted gets created with this data. Agree?
Yeah.
So now in this inserted, you have this value. I am verifying, do you have data in this inserted table? If it is greater than 0, yes. Yes, we have data. Insert into employee audit. What I'm doing, I'm auditing it. Insert into employee audit. Select these columns from the inserted and the user value who is inserting and date when it is performing and the operation as insert ins, or if you want you can write inserted also. Okay, then if this is not the case, you are not inserting is not greater than 0, it is equal to 0. Okay, then what you are doing, you are performing a delete. Let's say you are deleting the table. Okay, you are deleting a table. If then your count on the delete is greater than 0. So what you are doing, you are inserting into the audit table from deleted who has performed the delete and when it got performed, and operation is delete. And I am taking care of commit within this block. Why? Because you have opened an implicit transaction. I am closing that implicit transaction. SQL Server opened an implicit transaction. I am closing that implicit transaction in the trigger. Clear? Any questions, please?
So yeah. So when do these transaction or these queries, like the data inserting into EMP audit gets
Hmm.
executed?
Hmm.
This one.
This one, whenever you execute, automatically this gets executed.
But how? Like, is it?
Trigger. So see, I didn't write the trigger. I just kept the script. If you are clear how it works, then I write a trigger.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's going to be part of trigger.
Yeah. So
Okay,
now
that
what
makes
I do,
yeah, now makes sense.
create trigger underscore employee audit. When you are doing on which table, employee table, when you are doing after insert or delete as begin in.
Okay.
Now you tell me.
Yeah.
After
And
this, what you have to
explain.
do? After creating trigger, you have to execute this insert. You'll get to know what happens. And you have to check after inserting, it will run the trigger and you should see select star from EMP underscore audit. Similarly, you have to run the delete. You can say delete 6, you can say, or 7, you can say. And you can see this. So before deleting, verify whether data is there for that. What? Because your system data might be different, my system data might be different, right? So verify whether data is there in that and then perform the operation. So this is one operation. This is second operation. You should get data inserted into the employee audit with insert update commands. Fine?
I am
Any
little
question?
bit, yeah, this
Hmm.
one, the select, is that gonna be all the time same code, substring system user?
This one you are saying, oh, this one is same, right? See, you are getting the employee ID from the inserted. What employee getting inserted? Or from deleted. I'm sorry, here it is deleted. Okay.
Sir,
What data you are getting? Here it is not, here it is employee audit. You are inserting into the employee audit, you are deleting from, I'm sorry, you are inserting into the employee audit and deleting from,
no, sir,
and you
it's
know,
about the substring.
employee. Which substring here? This one? This one
No,
is
the
same, right?
No,
select employee ID, e-name, and substring system is gonna be
car
same,
index.
car
Yes.
index.
It is going to be same because even if you use this, it is going to get your username. You try without this. Try without this. Just execute select system user. Just you write select system user and verify what you are getting. And then you write everything and check. Run these two commands. You'll see the difference. Okay. So what I'm doing, whenever I perform an insert operation on the employee table, I'm getting those details, employee ID, employee name from employee table, and this is anyway comes common. Same here, and inserting into audit table. Okay, upon inserted or deleted. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So what you need to do is you have to create this employee audit table. Create table emp underscore audit. Employee ID, integer, employee name, varchar of 30. Okay, user info. Then date info or time info, you can say. And then opcode. So this is the first one you have to do. Next, this is I have explained this, so no need to execute this. Later you can execute because this I explained. You have to check this. This also no need to execute. First create a trigger. This is for your understanding. Create a trigger and then perform the operations. Okay. So let me keep in sequence and give you. Yeah. You got all the code? Can you check? Can you check? Someone share your screen and execute this.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, incorrect syntax near keyword R.
Or yeah.
This control R. Line number it's shown. Okay, after insert, comma delete you say. There
Which
in the
one?
line number 15,
Line number 15. Yeah.
after insert,
Uh-huh.
comma delete.
Okay.
And the spelling of the table as well.
Which one?
The spelling of the table we created,
That looks good.
This one? Oh, yeah.
the spelling of the table is wrong.
So first you add that enter, you add enter there, go. Okay, spelling might be wrong because I written a notepad, right?
You mean employee, right? Yeah, I just
Uh,
corrected it.
So add a go before line number 13, add a go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you create the table employee audit in the first
I
line?
think I just did it. No?
You did.
Yeah.
Okay. Now execute line number 12 and 13 at a time.
I did that one too. Yeah.
Okay. Just I want to show to the people so you can see it is
Yeah. Do we have to do the both? Do we have to do the both 12 and 13, or it's okay if
No,
we do
just to see the
13?
difference. If you see 12 and 13,
Yeah, I
12
saw the
line shows
difference.
you the server name come username. 13 line will show only the username.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Now you go ahead and create the trigger. Wait, one moment, wait. What is the employee table? Select the employee in the line number 26, employee, you double click.
26.
Yeah, 20. Employee, just select Alt F1. Alt F1.
Oh, wait. I have to do that.
So it is not ename, just name. You see here, in the result, the column is name.
Name,
But
yeah.
in the line number 24, we pass it ename. Just
Okay.
remove E.
Yeah.
Same in the next section also. Got it right? In my
Yeah, yeah.
system, it was name. In your system, it is name.
Hmm.
Now Control R.
Yeah, and then okay.
Now no error. You can execute.
Yeah.
What is the error? Employee audit, it is not there. It is saying. Go to the
Yeah,
top
but
and write start from employee audit.
Yeah, the table has the different like audit name. It's not correct. We
Oh,
See,
you mean?
yeah, it was spelling mistake wrong. Go
Yeah,
to the
Oh,
top.
yeah, yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what
Wait,
I
wait, wait.
have
Don't
to.
change. Don't change. I'll tell you. Write SP underscore rename. Yeah, there you write SP underscore rename. Within the quotes, copy the line number 3 employee table. Comma EMP underscore audit. Correct the spelling in the
I see.
quotes.
Yeah.
Now execute this line alone. Now run the trigger. It should work.
No, I think now I will have to.
Already trigger is there. Alter the trigger, please.
Yeah.
In the place of recreate, you just say alter. Okay, that's also fine.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you run the line number 45. So what it is saying, transaction ended in the trigger, that's fine. Now right select start from audit, line number 47. So you got, why this many records came? Okay, I'm sorry. Now go back to the line number, scroll up. Here in the line number 28, write where
Okay.
employee ID is equal to 8, whatever. Okay, it should be, you are passing 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
It has to get only that particular employee ID. You are getting me?
Yeah. Okay, let me pass another one then. Say 9, and then I will correct this one.
So how to get that? Let's say, no, not like that. It has to be dynamic. It has to be dynamic.
Okay. So,
Either you have to take, see in the inserted, what it is doing, it is getting total data of the employee. Okay. How come it is getting all data? I'm surprised. Once again, delete the data from employee audit. Just delete employee audit table or truncate.
okay. Okay.
Mhm. So no data should be there. Okay, let's start from audit. Yeah. Yeah. Now just execute. Just make it as 9 in the insert. No, don't pass it. Let us see. Don't pass it. Okay. Just 9 you make it. We didn't alter the.
Okay.
Execute this. Let's see. 7 rows affected. So it is getting every record. Okay. So now you write where employee ID is equal to select max of employee ID from employee table. That's all. No other option.
Okay.
Select max of employee ID from employee table. Max of employee, not from employee table, from inserted.
Also here,
Alter
this
that.
word clause goes to delete as well.
Same.
Okay.
No. Delete. It cannot be the max, right? Cannot be the max.
Just employed.
So let us see the insert. Okay, just alter it.
Okay.
So execute, make it 10.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, execute select star. Okay, so only one is coming. Earlier all came, correct? So if it is so, duplicate would be coming in the audit table. If you want to test it again, truncate this table, insert level. Yeah, you can see one row affected. Go to the 41, 49. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Now perform an operation for delete. 10 you do. 51, 10 you do.
Okay.
No, delete. 51. Line number 51. That you
Oh,
leave it, that
line
one.
number 51 right here. Okay.
You just make it 10 in the both lines, 51 and 50. Just check data is there. Next line also you see 54 there. Okay. Whenever you perform, execute this, automatic trigger gets executed. Execute this line.
Okay, you want me to execute. Mhm.
So what is saying? 8 records getting affected. Go to the select statement of audit. So it is getting duplicates, right?
Mhm.
Duplicates are there. Earlier there was only one record. Now duplicate. Now you have all the records. Okay. This is something never faced. Okay, let us see now how to delete the selected one. It is not we are deleting.
Yeah.
Shh. Oh. So we need to get the particular ID whatever we are deleting, correct? I got it why. So here in the line number 38, we kept the employee, it should be deleted. Same way even inserted, it should be inserted. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it, I changed and I gave. Here inserted. I did a mistake. So no need
Yeah,
of
you
this where
change it.
condition here. Comment
Yeah.
the where condition. Alter the procedure, alter the trigger. Truncate the employee table. Truncate the EMP audit table. You can see the above. Okay, now come down and insert 12. Line number 47 insert. Just make it 12. Get this. Line number
Yeah.
okay, now one round inserting. You got it right?
Yeah.
Now I'm not having any where condition. Still inserting one row only. Make it 11. Delete. One row only inserted to the audit table. Select star from audit table. You should have two records. The mistake is I did a employee table there instead of magic table. Okay.
Mm.
So you are clear, right?
Yeah.
Confused? In the code which I sent, instead of employee, it has to be inserted and deleted.
Okay.
If you want, I am updating it. Others doing completed. Yes, I updated the code. You can take the latest code from the chat window and do. Please respond others. Why silent? Able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Did you send the new code or?
The same code I edited. You can just take the latest code. I edited that.
Okay, thank you.
Someone wants to share screen?
While I'm inserting the value after the completion of
Huh?
this one, while I'm inserting the value, they said an explicit value for the identity column in the table employee
Share
can
your
only
screen.
see the rest.
Share your screen.
Uh, here, around this case, sir.
Okay. So create trigger explicit value for the identity column. Okay, it's an identity column. You are trying to insert the identity column. So in
Yeah,
employee table, that's a column. ID column is an identity column. You are trying to insert that. Control R. In the line number 27, remove EID. In the line number 20, in line number 27, you can remove EID. No. Wait.
not
Scroll down. Insert, where is the insert you have created? Written? Insert employee. Wait. Line number 29 inserted is correct. Line number 37, you make it delete. From deleted. From deleted.
from
Remove the,
deleted
yeah, that is there. Deleted it is. Not insert employee.
or deleted. Yeah.
Now scroll down. Where is your insert command? Insert into employee. Remove that 16.
Which one? 16? I
Remove
tried.
16. Come on. So now execute this. The explicit value for the entity column. So first select start from employee run 48. So here employee ID, you have employee name.
Yeah.
So you are passing C. Employee table structure in your system is different. In my system is different. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
Paul comma 25,000 comma is make it 2. That's all.
Salary. Oh,
In the place of get date, remove get date
yeah.
and make it 25,000. Last comma you remove. Get date is not required. Remove get date. Your table structure is different.
Yeah.
Remove comma. Last comma. Remove. Now insert this.
Oh, yeah.
Now select start from audit. Select start from audit. You run.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
So same for delete also. When you are inserting, ensure the structure is same. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, it is 7 remove. Yeah, 7 remove from here. Mm. Oops. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
you.